any person who is involved in crime, it doesn't matter their political affiliation. Some of the people, political leaders, who have been funding the violent attacks on property and police officers in Kericho and Bomet are Kenya Kwanza of politicians, and they'll have to be arrested. You know, once we conclude investigation, we arrest them. So let's not politicize this thing. But I don't think it is in my space to comment about the former president of Kenya. Yes. Si musaidie huyo. Any of you. Any of you, both of you, any of you. Yes.
Thank you so much, Bwana Waziri. I'm Lawrence Nyando from Radio Omini. You've talked about the issue of guns to do with the people, especially the bandits. Will you mind to tell us, since February 6th, when you last briefed us, has the ministry found out the loopholes that these people, especially the bandits and other Kenyans, acquire illegal firearms? And if they have found out the loopholes, what steps are they taking so that we can be able to curb the ownership of illegal firearms in the country, because it's also a very big threat in the society of Kenya?